Good evening everyone. This is Srinivas from Maths faculty. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. Today we are going to discuss about the sum of divisors and product of divisors of a composite number. Sum of divisors and product of divisors of a composite number. Let us see. Right. So before going to the topic, let us discuss one more time how the composite number can be expressed. According to fundamental theorem in arithmetic, we know that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes. For example, n is a composite number. This n can be expressed as product of prime numbers. That means p1 power n1, p2 power n2, p3 power n3, and so on like this, where p1, p2, p3 are prime numbers, n1, n2, n3 are their exponents respectively. Clear? That means any composite number can be expressed in a product of primes and the prime factorization is unique. Clear? And we have already discussed about number of divisors, that is n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1 and so on. Clear? Now sum of divisors. To find sum of divisors, product of divisors or number of divisors, we are just following the same process. First of all, we need to find out the prime factorization of a composite number. Prime factorization of a composite number. Right. So let us see the formula first. Okay. Sum of divisors. Sum of divisors. That equals to p1 power n1 plus 1 minus 1 by p1 minus 1 into p2 power n2 plus 1 minus 1 by p2 minus 1 and so on. This is a formula we are using to find the sum of divisors of a composite number, right? Now let us take one example and we use the general form or by using the formula also. Let us identify in both ways. For example, 240. 240 is a composite number. This can be expressing in a way that is okay. Let us take the smaller number because we have to use the general method also, right? Right. So I am taking the number 90. Let us find the sum of factors in a general way. That means we need to find all the factors of 90. Okay, all the factors of 90. Let us see. That means each and every table we should check. 1 is a common factor, so always one table will come. 1 90s are 90. 2 table in 45 or 2 table in 90 45 times. 3 table 30. 4 table won't come. 5 table 18 times. 6 table 15s. 6 15s are 90. 7 not coming. 8 not there. 9 table, 9 10s are 90. 10 table also 10 9s are 90. But you are observing here 9 10s and 10 9s both are same, right? That means we can stop the factors up to here. We no need to check the remaining tables. Whenever the factors are repeating like 9 into 10 or 10 into 9 both are same, until then we can stop. So what are the factors here? Factors or divisors both are same, right? These are all factors only. Take in a continue way. 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 and 5 6 9. These are all factors of a composite number 90 and 15 18 and what are they? 30 45 and 90. 30 45 and 90. That means how many factors does a composite number 90 have? 12 factors it is having. Okay, these are all the entire factors of 90 composite number. let us check their sum. That means sum of divisors or sum of factors just by adding all the factors here. Okay. Yeah, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 10, 36, 36 plus 10, 46 plus 5, 51, 51 plus 10, 61, 69, 69 plus 30, 99, up to here 99, and what are the remaining? 135. So just add them. 9 plus 5, 14. Yeah, 234. 234, right? Yeah, just check. Now we just find out the factors of 90 by general method, and we are adding all the factors here. We got the answer is 234. Okay, now? Right. So let us check in general way. That means by using the formula, we need to find prime factors. That means we have to express the composite number 90 as product of its prime numbers. Product of its prime numbers. Yeah. 2 table, 245s are. Now I can take 5 table, easy for us. 5 nines. Now 3 table, 3 threes, 3 ones. That means the composite number 90 can be expressed as 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. Now let us write them in exponential form. 2 is how many times is presenting here? Only one time. So we can express 2 as 2 power 1. Express 2 as 2 power 1. Now coming to 5. 5 also presenting one time. So we can express it as 5 power 1. Now third prime number is 3. 3 is presenting here 2 times. So let us write in exponential form 3 square or 3 power 2. Now sum of divisors. Like in previous problem we have discussed the formula, that is sum of divisors equals to P1 power n1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1. P2 power n2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1. If you have one more prime number, you can take P3 power n3 plus 1 minus 1 by P3 minus 1. Okay, na? Let us apply the formula here. First prime number 2, 2 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Now second prime number is 5 here. 5 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. And the third prime number is 3. 3 power 2 here. So 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Let us simplify this. 2 power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, again 5 square. 5 square value 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 by 5 minus 1 is 4. Last. 3 power 2 plus 1, 3. That means 3 cube. 3 cube value how much? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. 26 by 2. Any other cancellations here? Yes. Denominator 4 in numerator 26 or 24. How many times? Exactly 6 times. So here 3 into 6 and 2 table in 26 13 times. 2 13s are 26. Okay. Right. 3 into 6 18. 18 13s are. Let us multiply here. 18 13s. 3 8s 24. 2 5 1 18s are 18. Yes, 234. By using the formula, we get the 234. In a general method also, we got 234. Because 90 is just towards it composite number. To find the all its factors and adding all of them is little bit time taking, but see here, we are not using any factors here. We are not finding all the factors here. We are just finding the number. That means we just do prime factorization of a composite number and we just simplify. We use the formula and simplify the answer. Okay, na? Because if the composite number is more than 2 digit, that means 3 digit or 4 digit number, it will be big task for us finding all the factors and adding all the factors. It will be time taking. So by using the formula, we can find the answer in simple way. Clear? Right. Got it, right? So let us do the same by using one more example. Now I am taking here 540 or I will take here 240, okay? 3-digit number only. So what is the first point for us? To find sum of factors or sum of divisors, first of all we need to find the prime factorization of a composite number, right? Here take 2 table here, 2 ones are 2 twos are 120 times, again 2 table 60 times, 2 table 30 times, 2 table 15, 3 table 5 times, 5 table 1 time. That means the prime factorization of 240 is 2 how many times is presenting here? The prime number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So I can write in exponential form 2 power 4. Okay, na? Next 3 is presenting only 1 time, it is 3 power 1 and 5 is being here 1 time. So 5 power 1. So first of all we found the prime factorization of a composite number 240 and we should use the sum of divisors formula, that is P1 power N1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1. Next continuation. Very good. P2 power N2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1. Yeah, next. Yes. Because there are 3 prime numbers are presenting here. So that's why I have taken up to 3 values. Okay, na? P1, P2, P3. P1, P2, P3 are prime numbers respectively and N1, N2, N3 are their exponents. Okay. Now P1 value, that means first prime number here 2 power 4. That means P1 power N1 value 2 power 4. Now plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Next prime number is 3. 3 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 and next prime number is 5. 5 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 power 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. This one. 4 plus 1 value is 5. So 2 power 5. That means 2 into 2 into 2 5 times we need to multiply. That is 32. 32 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1. Denominator is 1. Now 3 power 1 plus 1 2. That means 3 power 2. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. Next 5 power 1 plus 1 2. That means 5 square value 25. 25 minus 1 is 24 by 4. Okay. This one is 31. 31 by 1 into second value 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 2. 2 table we can cancel in 8. Right. Next 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 by 4. Let us cancel 2 table in 8 4 times. 4 table in 24 6 times. That means 31 into 4 into 6. Okay. Here 31 fours 124. 31 into 4 is 124 into 6 into 6. Now you multiply here, 6 4 is 24, 2. So the answer is 744. Sum of divisors of the number 240 is nothing but 744. Clear? Yeah. Please check. Okay, next. So that is the concept of sum of divisors. Now let us go to the product of divisors. Okay, na? Product means what? Product means the result you get after the multiplication, right? The result of multiplication. So product of divisors of a composite number. That means we need to find all the factors of a composite number and we should multiply them. Like in our previous problem, we have discussed the sum of divisors, right? What is the general method we did? First of all, we need to find all the factors of 90 and we add all of them, because sum means the result when you get the addition, right? Same way, product means we need to multiply all the factors. Let us see this by an example. Then after I will say the formula for it. Okay, na? Right. Now I am taking 36. 36 is a composite number I am taking as an example. Now I am finding all the factors by in general method. Okay, na? Right. So one table 36 times. Two table will come. Yeah, obviously 2 will come because 36 is even number. 2 table 18 times. 3 also will come. 3 table 12 times. 4 table. Yes. 4 9s are 36. Next 5 want to come. 6. Here 6 is repeating 2 times. 36 is a square number, right? 6 is repeating 2 times. So therefore the factors are. What are the factors here? 1. Yeah, total here 9 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 is repeating 2 times now. We should consider only 1 time. 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Just imagine the answer. If you multiply all these, very lengthy answer will come. That means addition is somewhat different from multiplication, right? Multiplication means very huge numbers will come. If you multiply also, this will come very big number. Just to that composite number I have taken 36, but it will get very large answer, right? But we have the formula, that is the product of divisors. N is a composite number, right? For this, we have the product of divisors formula. The composite number whole to the power of half of the divisors. Half of the divisors. That means if you have to find all the divisors first of all, and we should take only half of them in their exponential form. Okay, in its exponential form. Clear? Yeah. Let us see same 36. But I told you already, to find the number of divisors, sum of divisors or product of divisors, first of all we need to find very good prime factors of a composite number. Clear? Right. Now here 2 table, 2 18s, 36, 2 9s, now 3 table, 3 3s and 3 1s. So the composite number can be expressed 36 equals to 2 how many times here? 2 times. That means 2 power 2. First prime number 2 is presenting here 2 times and second prime number also is presenting 2 times. Okay, na? But according to the formula, what we have to find first? Number of divisors. How to find the number of divisors? We know the formula, n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1 and so on, where n1, n2 are exponents of a prime numbers. First prime number exponent n1, second prime number exponent is n2. Right. That means 2 plus 1, here also 2 plus 1. Clear? Right. 3 into 3, 9. There are total 9 factors are there. Check, here also we got only 9 factors. 6 is repeating 2 times. That means I told you we should consider only one time. Okay? Distinct factors we should take. So there are 9 factors. Now product equals to, what is the formula? The composite number whole to the power of half of the divisors. Okay, na? What is the composite number here? 36. 36 power number of divisors 9. Half of the divisors 9 by 2. 9 by 2 will come in point decimals, right? 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5 decimal numbers. But we should not use any decimal numbers, right? Okay. So that's why I am writing here 36 as 6 square. 6 square means 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. So I can express 36 as in the power of exponents like 6 square and whole to the power of 9 by 2. Here I am using one of the algebraic identity. What is that identity? A power m whole power n equals to a power m into n. This is the identity. It will be help to solving a problem, right? Clear? That means when you have the two exponents for the same base, we can multiply the exponents. A power m into whole power n is nothing but a power m into n. Clear? Right. That means in the same way 6 power 2 into 9 by 2, numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. The base is 6 as it is and the exponent is 9. That means 6 power 9, 6 into 6 into 6 like that 9 times we need to multiply. Up to 3 times only we will get 216. Okay? 4th time if you multiply it will get in more than 3000. Like 9 times means like you can imagine how much big it will be. Clear? So we are just expressing the product of divisors of a composite number in an exponential form. That's it. That is very easy for us. Okay? Otherwise we cannot do all the numbers in multiplication way. Clear? 6 power 9 is the product of composite number 36. Clear? Right. Please note. Right. So let us go to the next example. Now I am taking somewhat bigger than, like example I am taking 7056. 4-digit composite number. If you take 3-digit, 4-digit or 2-digit, whatever it may be, first of all we need to find prime factorization of that number. Okay, na? Let us see this. Okay. So let us find the prime factorization of this number. Two table I am taking here, 2 35s and 2 2s are 2 8s are. Okay, na? Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder 15, 2 7s are 14, again 1 remainder 12, 6 times 2 4s. 2 table again, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. So while you are taking the prime factorization, you should know the tables clearly. Okay, right. 2 table, 2 4s and 2 1s. 441. 441 is a square number, or you can use it in a way like divisibility rules. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. It will come in 9 table or 3 table. But we are using only prime numbers. No, 3 table we have to take. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s 12, 3 7s. 147 will come in 7 table, 7 2s, 7 1s. Again 3 table 7 times, 7 table 1 time. So that means 7056 can be expressed as, I am writing the prime factors in exponential form. Okay, let us see that how many 2s are there. 1 2 3 4. So 2 is presenting 4 times, it is 2 power 4. Next, how many 3s are there? Second prime number 3 is presenting here 2 times, so 3 square into 7. One more prime number is presenting here, that is 7. 7 also presenting here 2 times 7 square. Right. So until then prime factorization is completed. Now we need to find the number of divisors. Here you should remember that for finding the number of divisors, only for product of divisors, okay. But while you are calculating for sum of divisors, we are not finding number of divisors in between. Directly we are writing. We are substituting in the formula, it will be possible to get the answer. But here we need to find the number of divisors first. What are the number of divisors formula? N1 plus 1 into N2 plus 1 into N3 plus 1 and so on like that. Where N1, N2, N3 are exponents of a prime numbers. What is the first exponent? 4. 4 plus 1. Second exponent is 2. 2 plus 1. Third exponent is also 2. That is 2 plus 1. Okay, no? Let us see. 4 plus 1 is 5. Into 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3. There are 45. 3 3 is 9, 9 5s. 45 divisors or 45 factors. That's a composite number having 7056. Now let us find the product. Let us find the product. What is the product of the divisors of the composite number formula? The composite number whole to the power of half of the divisors. Okay, no? Right. Substitute 7056 whole to the power of 45 by 2. But here you should identify that 7056 also a square number. 7056 also a square number. We can identify by their exponential form. Here 7 is presenting 2 times, 3 is 2 times, 2 4 times. That means 2 times into 2 times we can write. That means how can you find this? Square number 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, 21, 42, 84. 84 square. 84 84s are 7056. Okay, na? Because your 45 is not cancelled here. Decimal point is coming. Decimal value is coming. So that's why I am checking 7056 is a square number or not. Yes, we got 7056 is 84 square. So 84 square whole to the power of 45 by 2. As we applied algebraic identity, one of the algebraic identity, here also I am going to apply here. That is 84 whole to the power of 2 into 45 by 2. Numerator and denominator cancel. 84 whole to the power of 45. See, product of divisors means we will get 84 power 45. That is nothing but 84 we need to multiply 45 times. Very huge value will come, right? And it is very difficult task to multiply all the values. So we can express the product of divisors in exponential form in easy way. We no need to write in whole number form. Okay, that's enough. Please note it. And yeah, sum of divisors, product of divisors both completed, right? That's it for today, children. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.